Hey everyone, this is Miss Granger. In this digital lesson, we're going to go over the introduction to Unit 1, all about foundations of world history. Remember as you watch to fill in the blanks or complete activities as directed. Let's get started. We're going to start with our statement of inquiry, or our big central idea of a unit. Our statement of inquiry is the connection between history and present-day identities is significant. Make sure you fill in those blanks. You're then going to come down here to this box that says, what do you think this statement means? You'll take a look at this definition and rewrite it in your own words here. Pause the video and do that now. So let's talk about what some of these words mean in our statement of inquiry, starting with the word history. We're going to define history as the study of past events, what happened in years past. Moving on to this word identity, this is the combination of values, beliefs, and experiences that define, shape, and inform who we are, our perspectives, and how we behave as individuals. Basically, who are we? And then our last word is significant, which we will define as important. Next, we're going to move down the page to the draw a picture section. So you'll draw a picture that represents the word above it. So in this box here, you will draw a picture of what you think of when you think of history. Same thing for identity. You'll draw a picture of what you think of identity here, and significant, same thing. Pause the video now and draw your pictures. Alright, next we're going to practice with each of these words. So you'll see a sentence starter for this first one. Studying history can show us, and fill in the blank with something that makes sense. Do not say nothing. Say something that makes sense with this word history and what you can think of. Next, you're going to move on to which of the following explains your identity, and you will circle all that apply. I put some adjectives down here that might describe who we are. If there is not an adjective there that you feel describes you, feel free to add it at the bottom. The last one will be a question with the word significant. What is a significant event that has happened to you in the past? You don't need to tell me all your deep, dark secrets, just something that happened to you when you in the past at some point. You can decide when that past is, the recent past, or the distant past, you decide. Pause the video and answer your questions now. Our IB Learner profile focus for this particular unit is thinker. Here's how we will define being a thinker during this unit. We exercise initiative in applying critical thinking skills creatively to recognize and approach complex problems. Lastly, if you look on the next page, we'll go through some inquiry questions, or the questions that we are going to think about as we go through the unit. Remember, you don't need to answer these now, you just need to listen. So think about, why does history matter? Does it matter to us today? Is it still significant? How and why? How is the past connected to the present? Can we find a common thread or a common pattern throughout history that still connects to today? And finally, does history repeat itself? Do we have the same kinds of problems that people in history had in the past? Finally, our learning objective for this unit. You're going to be demonstrating knowledge and understanding of subject-specific content and concepts developed through descriptions, explanations, and examples by paraphrasing accurately and concisely. In the next lesson, you're going to learn about how to paraphrase accurately and concisely. Good job on this lesson. If you have any questions, be sure to check with your teacher.